Welcome to my YouTube channel Craft CSP. Required tools that multicolor page, scale color, red, yellow, green, pink. First of all, you circle die with any container of cream like this by 7 by 7 centimeter each for two pieces like this, another piece for circle like this, and required circle. For circling the page like this, all page cut by 7. With this few minutes, apply piece of thread on with glue, gum, and other piece of that paste on the put on it like this and press finger like this. Other page, same process will other pieces. Apply glue thread on like this and other piece of paste on it. The same process will other all the pieces such as this. Yes, common uses with close up that will press finger and the one row after completion of one row that you are required one other more row for the hanging 1 2 3 or like 4 like this 4 row completed for the decoration and the vertical to put on the wall with tape. Craft is final like this wall hanging in wall as you like, require room and other place where you want to. Thank you for watch this video. Thanks.